The ZMISHIBO 60-inch black ceiling fan is designed to enhance any room with its sleek and modern aesthetic, offering both flat and inclined mounting options for versatile installation. Equipped with a high-quality pure copper motor, this ceiling fan ensures powerful airflow while maintaining a quiet ambiance, making it perfect for any living space. The incorporated 18-watt LED light provides bright illumination with 3 adjustable color temperatures, catering to various lighting preferences and needs. Featuring dual finish blades with walnut and black options, this fan adds a touch of elegance and flexibility to match different decor styles, from modern to farmhouse. A smart remote control offers easy access to various functions including 6 fan speeds, reversible mode, and a convenient timer, enhancing user experience and comfort. With a 5-year motor warranty and a 2-year warranty on other parts, ZMISHIBO ensures long-lasting performance and reliability, allowing you to purchase with confidence.